Dear friends, the Rotary Club of Panji Miramar today donating one e-rickshaw to the needy. This is a great project for the women empowerment because one family will get support from the club, their entire family and all the family members empowered by financial, they will become financially strong and entire family scenario will change. I would like to congratulate all the members of the Miramar and especially the President Sandesh and District Secretary Admin Goa, Sandra, who is taking a lot of efforts, and our guide past District Governor ARFC Gauri Zone. In Goa they are planning to distribute such type of 25 e-rickshaws. So it's a great public image project and also community project which will go to help all the needy and poor, and once again I congratulate all of them. Thank you.
What about the training of the drivers?
Yeah, the club will take care of that. They will provide the training to them and all the required documentation like license will be taken care of them.
100% subsidy is given by the Rotary Club, or what is the percentage?
So we've given them a seed money of almost about 1.5 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah, 1.5 lakhs. The rickshaw costs 3,48,000. Rest will be taking a loan from EDC, and then she'll be paying back the EDC loan. Samiksha Chodhana, she taught her how to ride the rickshaw. So all the ladies are helping one another and they're teaching and they're getting the license. Sandra Fernandez. A designation District Secretary Admin Goa. In the past, almost about 15 to 20.
And 25 more.
25 more. Under the DRDA, now we have with DRDA, 15 rickshaws we are going to distribute through Rotary, and that happened at Saras, so the CM had inaugurated the project.
तुमका कसो आधार मेळटलो ह्या रिक्षा गाडी?
आता माझ्या मनान आशिल्ली रिक्षा घेवपाची. आमच्या शेजाऱ्या पेटी बायलेन घेतला, तिका पळोवन म्हाज्या मनान जालें हांवूय रिक्षा घेतलें. तिजे कडेन इन्क्वायरी केली कशी तुका घेतला. तिणे म्हाका सांगलें आपणें EDC वचून मिटींग केली आनी रोटरी क्लबान आपल्याक हेल्प केलो. तेन्ना तेजे वरसून हांव EDCन गेलें. मागीर मॅडमीक मेळ्ळें. मॅडमीन म्हाका रोटरी क्लबान वचून खूब हेल्प केलो.
ड्रायव्हिंग शिकले तुम्ही काय शिकयता?
जाणा
आणि ताणें ट्रेनिंग दिली ड्रायव्हिंगाची?
ना लायसन घेतलो हांवें. म्हाका ते समिश्कान शिकयलें मातशें.
तुमचें नांव?
भाग्यश्री खाडे.
खंयसरले तुम्ही?
नासगांव म्हापसा.
थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Lagi muji mai, oh melo kitre.
रास्ता पावस मरे.
जॉन बाब टायर जोल्या मरे ब्रेक आनी केस लागतले.
मुझे भाशेन हड्डे जाले इथे.
हॉडी चेंज कर मरे.
कितें?
टायर चेंज कर मरे.
खंय चेंज केला बरें? येच योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस.
ओय योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्यूशन एका जाग्यार. नवे टायर्स विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी.
Wah,
मॅगविल्स
wah,
टायर चेंज टायर सर्विस
wah.
नायट्रोजन गॅस बिल अलायनमेंट अँड बॅलन्सिंग
अरे वा.
पेपरलेस बिलिंग आनी जायतें हे सगळें बेस्ट प्राइस आनी एक्सप्रेस सर्विस आहा.
गाडी सारखी बटर आणि सर्व्हिस सारखी फास्ट मरे.
फास्ट नो एक्सप्रेस योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल आलेम हायवे मारगांव. आनी मग दोतोरा घेवत मरे.
पळय